Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use egg and banana plus other great ingredients to achieve that glow, to achieve that smooth looking skin. Yeah, okay, this is actually going to help you so much to make you look beautiful even without applying makeup. Yeah, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, please stay put. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and share, and let me take you right into this video. So to remove that ugly age related problems on your face, you're gonna be needing to use banana. Okay, look years younger with this home remedy. Okay, so banana is a great remedy that helps so much in moisturizing your skin. It also helps to leave your skin supple and soft. It tends to leave your skin really young, guys, and it's also a great natural remedy that lightens up your skin. Okay, so this is how we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be peeling the banana. Now I have some little banana here. You know, before getting to the market to buy banana, all of the banana is gone, so I got this, you know, local banana, which is also very good. Yeah, so I'm gonna be cutting it. And then I would have to be blending it. Now your banana has to be really soft, okay, so that you're gonna get that benefits that you require. Okay, so it's properly blended, and now we're gonna get a bowl, and then we're gonna be transferring this into the bowl. Alright, and this is how it is. It is properly blended. And now the next ingredient we're going to be making use of will be egg. Now egg is a great remedy that helps to tighten up the skin. It works wonders in rejuvenating and repairing the skin. So if you're having any itchy problems and any age related problem, try using egg for that problems. Yeah, so this is how we're going to be doing it. We're going to be breaking in the egg, and for this you're going to be needing just the egg whites, and just a little quantity will be enough. Now to make sure it's mixed really well, you would first of all be stirring it all up together. Alright, so it's properly mixed, and then the next ingredients is vitamin C. Okay, Now you can go get vitamin C, and vitamin C is good internally and externally. And this you can take about six of it, just 6 vitamin C. And then I'm gonna be grabbing my little mortar and then crush it. So you have to crush very well. Let it be very smooth, okay, so that you won't have to experience any particles whatsoever. So it's gonna be pretty smooth and really nice too. Alright, so after that, this is it. And then you now transfer it and turn it into this remedy. And this is actually going to prevent the banana from going dark. Yeah, because normally the banana would have gone dark when I go to refrigerate it. Yeah. So this is it. And the face is really beautiful. And then also we're gonna be needing to use tomato, guys. Tomato tightens up the skin, it firms up the skin, reducing the size of pores, and it also helps your skin to glow. So what we're going to do now is that we're gonna be cutting the tomato also in pieces. Now we're going to grab a blender. We are going to blend. And this is good, properly blended. And we're going to be turning it into this bowl. And then we're going to be putting in just a few of that, about 3 tablespoons of that will be perfect. And then after putting that in, then we would have to stir. And this actually looks really good. And now the last ingredient, which is very important for this, is potato. Now potato is a great remedy that helps so much in removing dark spots. It works in rejuvenating the skin and make your skin look super duper young. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be peeling the potato. And now we are going to be blending the potato. So I'm going to grab my blender. Now I'm not going to be putting in any water because the potato has its own juice. Okay, so I'm actually done blending, and let's get a bowl and turn it in. And that is actually very well blended. Now I'll have to take about 3 tablespoons because I'm actually not going to be needing all of it. Then we'll then mix it into this ingredient and stir it really well. And this is what we are going to get. Yeah, now let's go and apply this. Now for this, guys, you can apply it any day of your choice. It's actually very friendly, and it is also very soft, and it's perfect for all skin type. Okay guys, so this is the egg and banana remedy mixed with other very important remedy. Yeah, okay, so I've actually put it inside the fridge, and this is how it is. So I kept it inside the fridge. Literally, when you're using a natural home remedy like this, you have to put it inside the fridge. Then when you want to, that stuff is gonna be there. It's perfect, really good. When you want to apply it, then you would be mixing it up again. Man, when you put it inside the fridge, the coolness is gonna be wow. Like, trust me, the coolness is gonna be wow. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, all right, so applying it, I'm gonna be using a brush. Okay, now you know that all of the ingredients that are in here are actually very soft ingredients. They are very soft, so you can actually apply it at any time you want to. Yup, any freaking time you want to, you can apply this. And make sure to spread it really well onto your skin. Okay guys, so after which you spread this generously onto your face, then it is ideal you give it a little scrub. Okay, it's gonna be really amazing. Okay, so you use your hand and you scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. Scrub it just like that. Okay, okay, make sure to scrub your nose area because it's actually very important. And you're gonna notice that when you wash this off, you are gonna be seeing that your skin is just going to, you know, like you're gonna feel that your skin is going to be lighter, like really well. Trust me, that's how I feel anytime I use natural remedies like this. It makes my skin feel really light and smoother. Okay, so after which you have scrubbed like that, then you have to remember to wash it out with lukewarm water or normal water. But for me, I would use a lukewarm water because it's actually getting through my pores and, you know, remove all of those oil and stuff and dead skin cells, you know, and it also make this treatment works really fine. Yeah, so wash it off with lukewarm water and a toilet soap, and your skin will be glowing. Yeah, look at that. I love it. I love the feel and I feel like leaving it on. So you leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go. Yeah.
What is wrong with daylight?
Bright.
It's bright, so.
That make me
And that's the battery. No, so
that's it, guys. Okay, do this as often as you can, just like I initially said. Okay, so it's actually going to help you so much to brighten up your skin and to firm it up, and it's going to create that glow and moisturizes your skin. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to hit a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And I will see you again, and stay safe. Bye guys, and